Okay guys, so here we have the brand new floor pan that I ordered for the truck. Now, we've got it resting on the frame on the mounts, just kind of lining it up and making sure it fits good. Now, the heartbreaking thing about this is I managed to score this off of Rock Auto, and I spent a lot of time surfing Rock Auto, and I never had seen this whole complete floor pan with gussets and everything already put together. And I was super stoked when I ordered it because it was $1,000 to my door, all complete, and it would save me a ton of time having to repair a bunch of rust on the floor and cab mounts and all kinds of stuff. It's all complete on this thing. Problem is that it got severely damaged during shipping, and it really broke my heart. So what we got, if you look at this side and you see how nice and straight that edge is at the bottom of the door right there, and then you can come over here into this side and you can see not so straight. It took a big dent right there. Looks like the back bumper of a FedEx truck or something. Anyways, so it's crumpled this whole corner. Everything's all bent out of shape, nothing's straight. You can see it's just twisted, and it's a giant dent. That should be perfectly straight right along there. So anyways, all is not lost. Unfortunately, they don't have another one, of course, because I fluked out by finding this one in the first place. But luckily for me, I ordered some other like floor panel repair pieces before I managed to score this chunk of flooring. And they would have been completely useless had they not damaged this floor. So they reimbursed me for the floor, but they don't want it back, obviously, because what the hell are they going to do with it? So I'm going to be able to use this chunk of corner that I bought to repair the original floor to repair this damaged one, and I hopefully will be able to use it. Now, this can be testing my newly founded sheet metal skills because, well, let's be honest, I'm no sheet metal pro. I'm still learning. But I found this really cool guy on YouTube over the last week named Fitzy. He's this Newfie, straight up Newfoundland. This guy, he's hilarious, but brilliant fabricator. And I learned a couple of tricks from him, which I'm going to be employing on this particular repair right here. So wish me luck. I'm about to cut up this new piece. I've marked with my line where I'm going to cut this new piece. So I'm going to replace this section, just this little corner piece. I don't need to replace all the way up here because it's still good up there. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.